Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to DadBearDIY. Today we got a lot of stuff going on, but I wanted to kind of go over what one of the big jobs we've got going on today. And we're out at the other property, and we're having some fence work done. We're not installing a fence, we're not replacing a fence, we're making some repairs to a fence line. So we'll go over some of the, let me show you what we got going over here first. Alright, so today we got a fence company coming in, and they are going to replace this section of fence here and this gate. Okay. You see here we worked with our neighbor to get this huge oak tree removed over here. And since it's been removed, we can now have this fence straightened out for the property line. So this is all this section is gonna be basically taken out, and we're just gonna go straight across to square that off. Like I said, we're gonna replace that gate and this section of fence. And likewise on the other side, we're going to have this area of double gate repaired and redone. And then this section of fence here along the east side of the property, it's not in great shape, but it's functional. And because of the tree line, we're not going to be doing anything with that right now. The last thing we're going to be doing is working on this fence line on the north side of the property. We're going to be replacing this gate. And repairing this fence line all the way down to the corner. So that's what we're going to be doing today. See these little yellow flags? Those are come out and put out by the gas company. And tell you what, if you're doing anything like this, it's really important that you call 811 and have them come out and mark your utilities. These yellow flags indicate a high pressure natural gas line. Okay, so you got to do this stuff, otherwise some bad things can happen. Okay. And ideally, you want to have that done before you start getting estimates, so that the fence guys know exactly what they're dealing with. And when we had these markers put up, I called the folks that came out and did the marking, and got additional information from them that ended up being helpful for the fence guys. So, sort of questions I asked and that you might want to ask. Okay, so I've got a high pressure natural gas line here. What do I need to know about the location of that line? So what I was able to find out was that these lines are buried approximately 2 feet deep, and the pipes are 16 inches wide. So you got the flag there, you got to give yourself a buffer. Okay, if that's a 16-inch wide pipe, you don't want to be getting anywhere close to that, which means even though the flag might be 2 feet from the fence line, you're not you don't want to you don't want to get too close to that, knowing that that pipe is 16 inches wide. So that is the big thing we got going on today. And while they're here doing that, we're going to take care of some other stuff, which is going to include installing some decorative shutters, which would normally be easy enough, but right here, so we're going to be installing this. We put them on, we've gone ahead and put it on this side, on this window, but after Ivan, FEMA came in and put in these anchors for these stainless steel storm shutters, which you can't see from that side. Right? Okay. So you can throw those on, which is great, but those posts right here, and right there mean that if you're going to put these shutters flush with the brick, which is what looks best, you have to take those anchors into account. These shutters are going to have to come down if we decide to put up those stainless steel shutters. So we get over here to this window, you can see what we got here. You have to account for those. And when I installed the others, I tried the idea of putting the shutters, lining it up on the outside. So I didn't. It just doesn't look right. So we decided to go ahead and kind of put it in there. Now this window is going to be a little bit challenging because of course we've got cables coming down. This one is not so much, well, it is a problem, but it's not too, I mean, it's loose. This one here is actually anchored into the brick, so this one will definitely have to go under the shutter. But I got an idea for how to do that. So we got to put shutters on this window and that window over there. So besides that, I'm going to get the rake out, try to rake up some of this dead grass from our last lawn cut. And once the fence guys get here and I make sure that they're all set to go and I know what their plan is and such, I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. And I'll go ahead and tape that. And I might get some shots of them doing the work on the fence. So we'll add that. Anyway, that's our day today. We got some stuff planned. So thanks for stopping by. Stick with us. Check out the videos again. If you like the videos, hit that like button for us, and give us a subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know when we put new videos out. And we appreciate all that. Hey, hit that comments box up too. All right. I look forward to seeing comments you guys put up. But anyway, thanks for stopping. We'll get back with you here shortly. Hey everybody, good afternoon and welcome back to DadBear DIY. Today I'm doing a quick follow-up. We're out at the other property, and the fence work that I had previously shown you that needed to be done has been completed. I wanted to show you guys what we were able to get done. So here we are. This west side corner and gate were redone. Again, we had a huge river oak over here that we had taken out because it was going to be a threat if we had a storm come through. So the fence went around, as you can see, and once we got the tree taken out, got the fence line back up, got the gate taken care of. It was not an easy job getting those posts there, because I know there's remnants of those tree roots under there. Our double gate Looks absolutely fantastic. Did a great job on this. We're going to head back here to the back and show you the back fence line, which is in the worst shape. Show you what an awesome job these guys did. And I want to take a second to give a shout out to Phillips Fencing Solutions. Callan, Paul, and Waylon did a fantastic job. You guys remember from that first video, this entire fence line was shot. It had been through multiple hurricanes and tropical storms, and most of it was just shattered and bent down, and all this growth had come up. And these guys did a fantastic job, and they did it while maintaining safety, because there's those yellow flags. Remember I showed you that's a high pressure natural gas line. They did everything up to spec. We got a great working gate again. They did a fantastic job. So they're not a sponsor of this video, but if I find somebody and they do a project for me because it's something that, you know, I don't feel comfortable taking on by myself, if they do a good job, I want to make sure that they get credit for it. So they're not a sponsor, nothing. I want to give people props when they deserve it. So that was our fencing project. Fencing repair is done. Looks fantastic. So again, thanks to Phillips Fencing Solutions and Callan, Paul, and Waylon. And we'll definitely, if we need any more work done, we'll be reaching out to them. But that's our fence project done. So thank you guys for checking in with us. We're going to keep trying to document this stuff and you know, showing you the different things we're having done so you can see. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're feeling generous, please hit that subscribe and click that bell for notifications. We're just getting this channel off the ground, but really enjoying it so far. And we hope you come back. You guys take care. Be safe.